In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize dimension text in AutoCAD. If you've ever struggled with the size of your dimension text, you're not alone. Getting the right text size is crucial for readability and presentation, whether you're drafting plans for a client or working through a personal project. So, let's dive in and make sure that your drawings are as clear and professional as possible. First things first, you'll want to select the dimension that you're looking to resize. This is your starting point and ensures we're focused on the part of the drawing you want to change. Once you've selected the dimension, move your attention to the command line at the bottom of the AutoCAD interface. Here you'll need to type in dim style and then press enter. This input activates the dimension style command, which is our gateway to editing how dimensions appear in your drawings. After you hit enter, the dimension style manager will pop up on your screen. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of dimension styles here, and the one that's currently applied to your selected dimension will already be highlighted, saving you the trouble of finding it manually. With that style selected, look for the Modify button and give it a click. Now, you're in the modification settings for the chosen dimension style. You'll want to navigate over to the Text tab from the series of options available. This tab is dedicated to text settings and is where we can adjust the size of your dimension text. You'll see a field labeled Text Height. This is where the size of your text can be adjusted. You can enter a new value here to either increase or decrease the text size depending on your needs. If you're unsure what size might be best, don't worry. You may need to experiment a bit. Try out a few different values to see what best fits your drawing and keeps it looking balanced and clear. Once you feel satisfied with the changes you've made, it's time to implement them. Click on OK to confirm your new settings, and then close the Dimension Style Manager. And there you have it. Your dimension text should now be resized according to your specifications. Knowing how to adjust these settings not only helps in ensuring clarity in your current project, but also sharpens your skills for future work. As you grow more comfortable with these adjustments, you'll find your efficiency and proficiency in AutoCAD continuing to improve. Keep practicing and experimenting, and soon enough, you'll be navigating text resizing like a pro, bringing the precision and quality of your drawings to new heights.